guys, Colonel Ninny here. This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very realistic and complex flight sim, and there's a lot to learn to get good at it. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I have over 100 tutorials to help guide your progress to excellence. This is mission 10 of the Lightnng Strikes campaign. In this mission, we're going to hit the rail targets in 1922 with the cloud layer based at 7,000 feet. Visibility obscured with light rain. We're going to have 10 knots from the northeast this time. It's a bit of a headwind going. And that's it. If we get to the Rhine River, we've gone too far. Egress heading is about 233 from there and about 30 kilometers back to the friendly lines. If you notice you're leaving a lot of smoke behind, that means you're running too rich. So bring back the mixture controls to rich. Or to auto lean, but don't bring them all the way back to idle cutoff or your engine will quit. Okay, on track 059, 6,000 feet. What do we see? Not much. Can you see any reason why we should be flying at 6,000 feet when we can't see anything? I don't. Let's go down to 4,000. Well, at least we can see where we are here. I'll let you take a good guess as to what town that is. Well, there's our target. You can see the rail station down there. Flak's coming up at us. Oh, there's a train on the station. How lovely. Alright, business. There's our first target down there. Don't like the flak. Took care of one of the flak. Alright, no flak will come in again. There's still flak, heavy flak down there, so there must be a 88 position. Well, that took care of that. Okay, so I've got some damage, so I'm going to head home here. So we need to do a damage assessment. Left wing is good. Right wing, we have some small arms damage and we are leaking fuel. So we're going to increase the power on both engines to combat, 54 inches at 3,000. and that'll use up as much fuel as possible. We're across friendly lines now, so I'm going to respect the 15-minute engine limit, bring it back to its normal cruise. The fuel situation looks pretty good. We've still got plenty of fuel. I think we're good. And how we're looking for damage. Pretty damn good. And here we are at our waypoint. Right turn 267 to the airfield. So there's the runway, and our fuel situation is still excellent. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Join me for Mission 11. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment.